So I've been wanting to respray the side moldings on my Saab 9.3 to get it back to the original black color, like so, with some trim black paint. So you can see that that one has been done because that was easy to get off. Now these side ones here are way grayer, as you can see, and so we're going to try and turn those black as well with the trim black paint. Now getting these off is going to be a little struggle because the clips on the back will probably break, and they're expensive to get brand new. So I was lucky enough to go to a junkyard and pull some moldings off and get the ones that didn't break off, and so I have enough to cover this in case this goes bad. So I was able to do it on this one, my laser red, and I did not need to do it though for my 9.5. All right, we'll be back. So here is the trim black paint that I'm going to use. I've used this before and looks really good on the car. It's the SEM trim black 39143. That's what I'll be using. And as I said, I went to a junkyard and was able to pull some moldings off, and the ones that didn't break, I was able to get them. So I'll be using these for replacement of any that will break when I pull off the molding. So I'm using this Harbor Freight molding remover, and was able to get it in there, and they've actually been coming out pretty good. You can see right through here they're coming out, so we're going to continue to try that and hopefully have some luck not damaging the car and having these clips come out here. Oops, that one looks a little stuck, so we'll grab the other Harbor Freight one I got. Oh yeah, look at that. Popped off nicely. All right, so I'm gonna do that to the rest of these and see what we can do to get these off and then get them painted. I was able to pull the one off the side over here as well without any damage to the clips. It is hot out here, so it did help make the plastic a little bit soft, but pulled it off here, no problem. There are 7 clips on the long portion and 4 on the short portion. And like I said, there's a Harbor Freight one that I used, as well as this one, which made it go easy. So I'll be back to prep and paint.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so I went ahead and sprayed these with that SEM black. Didn't think you needed to see me spraying this, but sprayed the edges first and the ends, and a light coat at the top, and then came back with a second coat and a third coat actually. So they look good, they look nice and black, so we'll be snapping them on here in just a little bit. So now here I'm gonna just snap it back on. Again, painted it and got the clips in, and just push it back on, and it should be good to go. Nice. We'll finish it up. So here's the final product. It looks great. Brought back to brand new looking condition. So anyway, that's one way you can easily freshen up your side molding with using that SEM black trim paint. All right, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them down in the comments below and I'll answer them. Thanks.